So even with glueless installs from time to time, you do gotta clean it up because the product from you put on your baby hairs and all of that, it builds up after day if you do it, constantly throughout the week. So here's a quick tutorial on how to clean up the hairline on your quick glueless installs. Take a little alcohol, clean your baby hairs and your hairline off, like very little, and then get ready for the next step. Do not come for me. I know the thing is in my mouth. It's going on my head. I'm the only one that use it. It's fine. I'm still alive to tell the story, guys. We're good. Special guest in the building. That's the A to my L. I'm identical twin. That's my identical twin sister. Not the one straightening her hair. That's me. But the other girl that was just walking by in the red. That's my identical twin sister. Thank y'all for tuning in to another tutorial. If you have any more tutorials you would like to see from us, please leave a comment below with the idea. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the all bell when you subscribe. Have a great day.